Guys, after subscribing to this channel, please make sure that you also press the bell icon so that no notification, no new video of mine, any educational video, is missed by anybody.
Hello my dear students. Today I'm here to discuss regarding what is Revision Blitz package, which I've recently announced for my theory exam going students of DNB. Not just DNB, MS, MD and DGO as well. Even the Diploma DNB can join this Revision Blitz package. Now there are a lot of questions amongst my students regarding what exactly is it. So let's start with the basics. What is Revision Blitz? Basically, this is an attempt to give you a chance to study every night with me live lectures on high yield exam topics with the latest guidelines so that you don't have any scattered notes, any outdated material to study. You have consolidated, well organized, latest study material all available under one package so that you can revise quickly, which is the reason of the name Revision Blitz. These are all extremely sorted, high yield exam topics which have been often asked so that you get a glimpse of the actual package, the actual exam scenario. The important topics are already done with you. So all you have to do is give me 1.5 hours each night and I'll make sure it's completely judiciously utilized and one topic each day is solid and with you. Now for the FAQs. Will there be any discount? Yes, those students who are my mega package holders will get it free of cost. The theory package holders will get it 50% discount. And there are the students who've taken probably an answer bank or something. We'll throw in some discount for you as well. Question number 2. What do we do after we have done purchasing the package? You have to reach me in Telegram and say hi so that I can add you to a Telegram channel or a Telegram group in which all my live classes will be taken. After every class, there'll be a doubt solving session. Okay, so you get a one-on-one talk time with me, chat time with me, in which you can explore the topic, ask questions, let me know if you want more elaborate questions for this particular thing, or you have confusion regarding guidelines, whatever it is. All right. Number 3, and very important, whenever you're about to purchase this package, the only way to do it is on my app. Do not be guided by anybody who's approaching you to pay on WhatsApp or on Telegram or GPay or PayPal or anything else. My packages are only available on my app. The iOS software as well as the Android software link is already shared with you. Most of you are already there on my Telegram channel. Do already know, they already have an access to my app. In case you do not have, you can always message me on the number 852-1177-181, which is my WhatsApp number and also my call number. The question number 3. Whether we will get these live recorded lectures or not. I mean, if you miss the class, is it only live or we will get the recorded lectures? Yes, obviously you will get the recorded lectures because I understand that all of you have a busy schedule. Some of you will be on emergency duty, some of you might have calls, some of you may be on post calls, and of course the domestic, and social, commitments are there, and I do understand. So you will all get recorded lectures. Probably that same night in which I've taken the lecture will be added to your that package, the Revision Blitz package, on which you are a member. The third thing, whether these will stay till your exams or not. Yes, of course, this Revision Blitz package will stay till your exams, till you crack your exams. It will stay with you because the exam date is already with us. So we have made it this has become easy for us. So we've already managed it in such a way that the exam package stays till the exam. Next question, what will be done after the Revision Blitz? Well, after a tremendous success, in all humility, of my previous last minute revision answer bank package, I'm planning to take the previous 4 to 5 years answer bank again for my students going for the theory exam in December. All right. So I'll finish this up and then I'll start with the revision of the answer bank. I think 6th question, when will this classes start and when will it finish? So the classes are starting from tomorrow, which is 7th October. My batch is currently being made and it's being made as more and more students are being added, and it will finish off maybe by 12th of November or so, after which I'll be starting with the answer schedule, answer bank, and the revision blitz of answer bank very soon. So stay tuned, guys, for all these packages. The announcement are currently being made on my Telegram channel. All of you who have been my old students know how to approach me, but the newer students, please make sure at least you have two accesses. One is on my app, the other one is on the Telegram channel, because every new schedule, every new package is announced on the Telegram channel. Okay, so if you have any further doubts regarding this, please feel free to approach me on 852-1177-181, which is my WhatsApp number. And also my backend team is always available to address all your calls. You have any technical glitches, you do not know how to add, do not know how to access the class, we are there for you. But make sure these 3 steps are done. You purchase the package on the app, iOS or Android version. Once you've done that, please make sure that you share your receipt with me on the Telegram, and make sure that you're added to the Revision Blitz theory channel, or the group that I make on Telegram, and your classes will be taken there. Then after that, you can, so just in case you miss the class, you can access the class as well as the PPT used in that class on your package that is on the app. These classes are recorded and put on the app as well. So I hope I've clarified mostly all the FAQs I was getting from my students. If there are still certain left, please let me know personally on my WhatsApp, or you can just call me. I have no issues. See you in the classes from tomorrow onwards. I'll announce the schedule exact very soon. And that brings me to another FAQ. What is the schedule of the classes? That will be shared with you in the package as well as in the Telegram channel. So the sooner you purchase it, the sooner you'll know the schedule. And as far as your package is concerned, it's already there. And as far as the Telegram channel is concerned, it's being prepared right now. Students are being added to make sure once you've purchased the package, you contact me on Telegram. I'll see you in the classes.